Welcome to the world of Wizpro. Here is Wizpro Integrated Limited, an ICT real estate and transport company with address as follows. We are into manufacturing of software. We produce different types of software in all areas of IT, and here is a pure introduction of what we do. The list above contains a comprehensive list of the software we have built over the years, such as accounting, human resources, payroll, property, stock or inventory, and others. This is a summary of the company. We parade an area of seasoned professionals who are veterans in the field of programming. We build excellent software, and we also develop customized system for clients' need. Here we have a powerful and formidable teams responsible for the development of our software. Our vision is to become a leading international ICT firm. Our mission statement is to provide an reliable and well-tailored services in information technology practice through courteous ways, combining professionalism, reliability, and efficiency. Our services are as follows. We supply computers, office and site network projects. We design software in several areas, such as accounting, payroll, human resources, and the rest. We also undertake general computer training, and we specialize in core database applications training. Here are some of our clients, and they are happy doing business with us. Our bankers and our affiliated organizations are as follows. Here are some of the implemented projects we've carried out over some years. It's quite formidable. And here are the sample screenshots of the projects we have carried out over the years. These are sample reports, continuation, and so on. These are some of the works we have done, and we are ready to do the same for you as well. We'll be willing to receive your call and replicate the same thing or even better for your organization. These are some of the links that will enable you to jump directly to the reports that you wish to create or any of the tasks that you wish to create. Here we have a stock page, and here is another of the modern version of our software, primarily used for property management and the rest, especially hotels, restaurants, and other industries. All these are sample screenshots. Now let's watch video presentation live running of some of the packages that we intend to showcase to you. You can log on to window by selecting your name and key in the password. Here we have an open page showing some of the applications that are available within the system. After the normal installation and customization, the first thing to do is to set up the accounting protocol, which is this. Here we are expected to create our account codes. That's what you call chart of accounts. By creating groups and then the individual accounts. We have the account group creation here. Then you have the individual account creation here. And then the result will be viewed here. And so on. When you are through with this, the next is to create the opening balances of your accounts through opening sales entry, and then subsequently you begin to use the transaction entries. We have the debit, we have the credit, we have the banks or cash or credit selection. Here you have the receipt or payment or journals. Having chosen your means of entry such as debit entry or credit entry, and the detail is there on the screen. This is for demonstration purpose. We have other provisions such as transaction view, transaction correction, and a star feature, probable out of balance detection. Then we have the statement of a account provision, where you key in the details and then asks for result by clicking the item. Have this. There are no entries there. There are no transactions, that's why it is blank. Then we move on to stock. From the stock you create your departments such as this, using these features here. When you are through with the department creation under stock, you create the suppliers list, then the stock masters, where all the stock items are listed. Add new stock, view all stocks, and the rest. Then you create the opening stock item using this facility, where you have this, you put in the date, you collect the item here, you key in particular one, specify the references, and then the detail will follow. Then you use the next for the next item. We have a issue stock, receive stock, daily reports, daily summary, and then we have the on-hand quantity reports such as this. Having specified the dates here, and the result will come out like this. Depends on the content of your stock list. Then the other reports such as zero stock, stock profile, reorder level, as well as department brand summary. We also have a statement of account, just as we have a statement of stock. Here we can demand statement of stock by clicking the item needed, specifying the date, and then asking for the item either in combined mode or class selection. It should provide for us statement of stock. The next thing to talk about here is the sales or distribution, where you make your invoices through this channel. You pick an item for reference number, you select the item you want to sell, you see the quantity in the front, you click here, you specify the quantity such as 2, followed by the price if it is not pre-entered, or you key in the price. You come here and then you accept that entry. It jumps into the card box. You add more of that, maybe this. You do the same thing, maybe 5 or 4, followed by the price. You enter. Okay, you can see the list is growing and the value is showing here. You authorize the entry. Okay, and then you go ahead to print an invoice, either mini invoice or full invoice, depends on your choice. We also use this model as well. You can see the report coming out there. Okay, according to the format that you specify. We also use this model to produce receipts. Specify the receipt you want to generate, then review that. It will display the receipt you wish to show on the screen, and you can send it to the printer if you wish to. Next, here we have a receipt model where receipts are specified, selected, payment made, and it will be registered into the account. Okay, this has list of pre-entered ones, and the records are there for your perusal. Let's move on to here. You specify the price list, sales statistics, you see summary, bank and cash, and other provisions. Then we still have another item here, such as the property manager, where you are confronted with several items on the screen, such as the front office, the mini bar, the laundry, and other provisions, and then the housekeeping. This was actually meant for a hotel and it was customized for them, and they have all these departments, and we have all these provisions to cater for each and every department in the organization. Okay, from here we can jump to invoice or move to receipt. Receive stock here. Okay, let's look at this, see how it works. Okay, we don't do housekeeping from there. From here, maybe from uh, minibar, we wish to issue invoice, or we want to issue receipt or receive stock, sales report, and others. The list are there. We wish to see maybe make a password change, posting maintenance, and other provisions. Remember that you must be within a particular date region for you to access the software. And if you do not have the privilege to create entries, you will see the item, but you will not be able to pick anything from there. So it works with privileges. Like here, I have the privilege to create invoice. That is why it opened the channel for the invoice creation for me, where I select invoice number or use automatic invoice number provision here, or use the manual invoice numbering system. Or as well, you can receive stock by clicking that place. I have the stock receipts and stock issues. We demonstrated this one earlier. Then let us log out from here by changing user, move to another package that is similar, such as this, key in the name and then the password, and then we are confronted with this, which is slightly different from the previous one. And then we see the provisions here under activities and jobs. Under stocks, you could carry out any of these operations, or go to sales, carry out any of these operations such as a price list, invoicing, receipts, new invoice number, listing of receipts, and so on and so forth. So this is a mini demonstration of the capability of the software, and is quite marvelous. From here, you might decide to shift to the admin section and step into admin proper by clicking here to demand for password. Upon entry, it will take you to the back office. If you do not get it right, it will deny you entry into the back office. The same thing goes for account as well. Stepping into the back office. Okay, then we have the other things like maintenance, where we can do password change. Here you enter your password, your name, and your password. You can change your password here, and then it becomes a new password. We have the posting maintenance provisions from here, where you select an item to be open and then check the details of the postings. Okay. Lastly, let's see the comparison of Wizpro alongside other software such as this. We have a Peachtree, we have Sage, we have Wizpro, QuickBook, Tally, Busy, MS Money, and Takeezy. Then we have the features stated here by the left. The age in the market, the easy installation, configuration, and others. You may study that and then draw your conclusion. Thank you. for viewing the demonstration of Wizpro. Call us. I'll be ready to give you further demonstration. Thank you.